Good morning, students. Today we can start exercise 6.1. So, first question. In figure, this is the figure. Okay, in figure, line AB and CD intersect at O. So, this is the line AB. This is the line CD. It is crossing each other. That is the meaning of intersection. Intersecting each other at the point O. This is the point O. Okay. So, if AOC, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. I written here and again I am writing what is the reason which is given in the question. So from this chapter onwards, whatever you are writing here, you should write the reason why you are writing. What is the reason you are writing the same statement here? So why I written here? Because this is given in the question. So I in bracket I written it as given in the question. That is the meaning. Okay. So angle AOC, AOC, this angle plus angle BOE, BOE, this angle, which is equal to 70 degree, which is given in the question. Okay. Again, angle BOD, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. That is I marked here. Angle BOD. This angle is equal to 40 degree. Right? Then we have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So BOE, where is BOE? Angle BOE. This angle we have to find out. Okay. After that we have to find out the reflex angle of COE. So if you want to find out a reflex angle of COE, first find angle COE. This one you have to find. This is angle COE. After that 360 minus angle COE, you will get reflex angle. That is the method. Okay. So what are the angles we have to calculate here? First we have to calculate here angle BOE. Angle BOE we have to calculate here. And again angle reflex angle COE we have to calculate here. So why I written here this one? Angle BOD is equal to 40. That is also given in the question. I written it as given. Okay. So we can start with here. Angle BOD. Angle BOD is equal to 40. Then we know that vertically opposite angles are same. So which is the vertically angle of BOD? This one. Angle AOC is the vertically opposite angle, right? So we can write angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. What is the reason? Reason you should write here vertically opposite angles. Okay. So we can write angle AOC is equal to what is angle BOD? That is equal to 40. So we will get angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. So I written here. What is the reason? How I written this one? From this one I am putting it as equation number 2. So from equation number 2 we got it. From equation number 2. Right? This is I am putting it as equation number 1. This is I am putting it as equation number 2. Because in sometimes we have to prove something from here. So for the easiness, here we can write from equation number 2. So we can refer here what is equation number 2. That is why I denoted it as 1 and 2. Okay. Now we can write AOC. Already we have here AOC plus BOE. So I am using equation number 1. What is AOC? AOC now we found here 40. So I am substituting this value here. Instead of AOC I am writing 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. What is the reason? By using or from equation number 1. From equation number 1. So we will get angle BOE is equal to this 70 degree. This 40 comes on the right hand side. Minus 40 will get is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now we got BOE, this one over, this is equal to 30 degree, we got it. Okay, this one also we got it, that is equal to 40 degree. Next we have to calculate COE, then only we can calculate reflex angle COE, right? So I am asking you angle AOC, COE and EOB. That means all the angles above this straight line AB. Sum of all these angles should be is equal to what? Sum should be is equal to 180 degree. That is called linear axiom. Okay, because AB is a straight line, all these lines are falling on this straight line AB, so it is making the angles here. The angle sum of those angles should be is equal to 180 degree. That you studied in previous class also, linear axiom. Okay, so I am writing angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Since AOB is a straight line, or you can write by using linear axiom. Okay, straight line completed. After that AOC, what is this here? AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle COE. We have to find angle COE. So I written it as angle COE plus angle EOB. EOB is equal to 30 degree. 30 is equal to 180 degree. So we will get angle COE is equal to 180 degree. 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. That 70 I am taking on to the right hand side. So 180 minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. Now this is angle AOC. Actually we have to find what? Reflex angle COE. Here we found angle COE, not AOC, sorry, COE. So I am writing reflex angle COE is equal to total angle 360 degree minus angle COE, that is 110 degree. So we will get here 250 degree. So reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree, angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. These two we have to calculate and done. Okay.